So he is handing over you some certificate kind of thing, no? Or award, reward or award.
Appreciation letter for completion of CBI office building.
Okay, that's great, sir.
Appreciation letter.
So for what, sir? For what? Appreciation
For completion of office building.
project.
Office building.
In time
Completion of
completion.
CBI office building in time project.
There only you are also recommended for President's Medal also, Police Medal. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your wonderful journey. I congratulate you for your successful and unstoppable journey of an air warrior.
Thank you, sir.
Reaching up to that extent and dealing with a sensational case ably, capably, and without fear or favor. So handling generals or politicians and higher bureaucratic is not a simple thing. And Air Force really helped you in grooming to that extent so that you succeeded in your mission. And all air warriors feel proud of your success, sir, in ably handling that case. So you are really an unstoppable hero for us.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, all present members.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. And now I open it to our great warriors for Q&A session, sir, starting with our group captain Das, sir.
It's nicely done, and congratulations to the speaker. He has done very well.
Thank you,
And
sir.
he has imbibed all the qualities from the Air Force as a foundation, and he has done very well for himself. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir.
So that's our group captain Das, sir, Veer Chakra holder, hero of Longowal battle, whose call we are going to have shortly. Thank you, sir, Das, sir. Wonderful.
I am going up there.
Yes, sir. Thank you for your participation, sir. Yes, sir. Wing Commander Krishnamurthy, sir.
Hello, good morning.
Morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Yes, sir. I think somebody is talking.
From Krishnamurthy. I am sorry I joined late. There was a class in between. And after the class, I joined you.
Thank you, sir.
It's a pleasure to hear about the people who do very well and successfully too. So our heartful greetings to all of them. And thanks to you all that we are able to meet them on a forum like this. Thank you, TBR. Thank you, Sharadji. Bye.
Thank you, sir. So kind of you, sir. So kind of you. Yes, sir. Wing Commander Kawatra, another Veer Chakra holder. Yes, sir. Welcome, sir.
Good morning, everybody.
Sir.
And it was very nice, Mr. Ramakant, to listen to your work, what you did in services and your bodybuilding. I saw your pictures. In between, I was also off. I was having network problem. But in the end, I listened to your story of this scam, famous Bombay building scam. And I also know quite a lot about this story, but listening to the details, the way you have described is really marvelous. And you have done a very good work, and you are doing a very good work still by going to Central Excise Office on 15th August and Republic Day Parade for hosting a ceremony. Keep it up, and do let us know your office address if we happen to come to Bombay. We'll definitely visit and would definitely like to have a cup of tea with you. Thank you very much. All the best. And thank you, TVN and Mr. Pathak. Thank you very much. All the best, Ramakant.
Thank you for your blessings.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for your blessings. Yes, sir. We have another our hero, Big Commander Karnik, sir. Another Veer Chakra holder, and we feel proud of his presence. Yes, sir.
Yeah, a versatile individual, Mr. Ramakant, with versatile experience sharing with us. Happy to note that. Thank you.
So kind of you,
Sir,
sir.
thank you very much. So kind of you.
Yes, sir. Murudkar sir. Or otherwise, any issue? Pathak sir, last time he missed his last concluding remarks. Jayabla Pathak sir.
Firstly, I must thank to Ramakant sir for his
Thank you,
help
sir.
given to us, because we are having problem today. Meeting was we should continue. We didn't want to have a break, and he has very much responded. Very much, we are thankful for that. Without any preparation, he has given such a nice narration, and I must congratulate him for his second inning, especially CBI career. It had been so daring, and I'm happy, and we are proud of you, Ramakant.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. That's our JW Pathak.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So, in fact, now our Ramakanji being
Thank you.
unstoppable in his journey, he made our program also unstoppable by covering the gap for today. Thank you, sir. So, yes, sir. Anybody else? Balinga, sir.
Yeah. May I speak?
Yeah, Murudkar, sir. Yes.
Am I audible?
Congratulations.
So, one second, sir.
Congratulations.
Balinga, sir. 1 second. I think
Go
our.
ahead. Mr. Murudkar, please go ahead. Then
Okay,
thereafter
okay.
I'll
Okay.
speak.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Balinga, sir. Yes, sir.
Thereafter.
Congratulations, Mr. Sarandar, for your excellent Thank you, narration sir. today. I never knew all these things. You came across so many people, and you know to whom you are dealing with. I know these people. Really excellent. This one, Air Force career. Thereafter, Central Excise, Custom Officer, Custom Intelligence Officer. Now Sheva, this one, the Bandar. Then Adarsh Gotala. See what happened? Very, this one, the places where you were connected, high profile cases, high profile positions. I think person like you should not have stayed in Vasai.
No, I'm going to shift. I'm going to shift to Mumbai shortly.
Yes, you should not have it. For example, Chief Minister, former Chief Minister, I know, whom I also came across when he was Revenue Minister in the matter of university land. And in his office itself, I told him, you can't do this one. He was very shocked to know that he may not know that Air Force people are very hard to crack nuts to, and the very daring people, they can't just listen. All these, the people whom they want to do something, for political gains. As you know, the CM, then there is one Mr. Ramanand Tiwari. Who was he? He was Urban Development Secretary for a number of years. An Urban Development Secretary, he channelizes total money to Chief Minister or to Delhi. So for so many Chief Ministers, he was the Urban Development Secretary. I do not know why you have missed this chance. Okay. So then, Jairaj Patel, I also came across him, commissioner. I know him. And you can say the Kanhaiyalal Gidwani, the man who was known in the political circles and bureaucratic circle as a man of all seasons. Any job to be done, that is kindly could have been. Now he is no more. He was Mr. Vasantrao Patil's right-hand man. I was there for 1 week with Mr. Vasantrao Patil, late Chief Minister, when he was AICC General Secretary in his bungalow. I know these people well, how we have stood these people. What happened under the name of Kargil heroes, under the name of armed forces, how civilians use the name and the fame of armed forces and then capitalize their names and then get the benefits. It's a tragic story, I can tell you. And you have stood the ground and without involving anywhere. I know CBI officer, this in CBI headquarters. Congratulations to you for construction such a beautiful building in a premier place like BKC in Mumbai. Okay, I never knew that Mr. Sarandar was a bodybuilder. Mr. Shekhar was a bodybuilder. And I'm thinking I'm fortunate enough that being the vice president of Air Force Bombay, I am a secured person under there, this one, no presence. So there's no problem. Well, again, I congratulate you, heartily congratulate you, and I will be very happy because last time, many of times you have told me, because to help give the free this one guidance to our ex-servicemen. We are yet to get the office in Santa Cruz. I think we can start. I think as far as for your information, we have identified Mr. Sarangdar as a key person to work in the office of this one.
Great, sir. Great.
Air Force Association.
Thank you, sir.
Great.
Thank you very much. Please go ahead with you. Keep your health, this one, and give us guidance as to how to maintain health. Even today, I am getting guidance from Mr. Rao and from the Calcutta also, how I should keep it. Thank you very much. So nice of you. Thank you very much, Group Captain Das, Wing Commander Kwatra Sahab, Wing Commander Krishna Swami, and Wing Commander Karnik, and all our veterans for attending this session. Thank you.
So great of you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Yeah, Balinga, sir. Thank you, sir. Murudkar, sir.
Well,
Yeah, sir. You are audible. Yes.
thank you. Mr. Ramakant Sarangdar, I interacted with you once, but today's your narration in detail, it was very much inspiring one. Your passion in education.
Sir, your voice is low, sir. Your voice is low. Please speak near micro.
Okay, now are you able to
Better,
hear?
sir. Better.
Okay. Mr. Ramakant Sarangdar, I think we interacted once, and today your narration of your journey is most inspiring one. Your passion in academic field, while in your journey, is most appreciable. Then your journey remain with various diversification in various fields. Air Force as a technical, then also the sports, then you are joining as a Konkan Railway, then you are excise, and then CBI and whatnot. Because I am also from Mumbai, and you are all education field and working field. I am well aware, being a ex-Bharat Petroleum, Bharat Petroleum Management staff. I also associated with Director General Police A.V. Krishnan during this my function. So I know, your function remained very challenging one. And then you are this building of our Mumbai scam. It was all politically and bureaucratically manipulated one. And then the way you handled, it's a really as a credit to you. And let's hope you have your journey ahead with your family members, the pleasant one, and we wish you all the best, Sarangdar. All the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Balinga, sir. Yes, sir. Anybody can unmute and speak.
Thank you, Balinga, sir.
Yeah, Bose Garu, Subhash Chandra Bose ji, or anybody can unmute and speak.
I am Subhash Chandra Bose. Very good morning.
Good morning.
Sir, it is nice to know that you have done so much of well, and already everything has been spoken by other. So I don't want to repeat it, but I want to ask you one specific point of this particular Adarsh scam, which is already known even up to the US. See, particularly his daughter, Devyani Karbogade, who was the IFS officer in the USA as an Indian Foreign Service. And then it was also a case of interrogation was done on her, particularly in the US security agencies, as well as one of the complaint which was given by her maid also regarding such kind of issues over there. And from Uttam Karbogade as a retired IAS officer, and this scam into this Adarsh, and one of the house was allotted to Devyani Karbogade, IFS officer of India, and which was actually, she was in the US. And there were so many rather awkward interrogations were also carried out on her, particularly by the US security agencies, which starts from the Adarsh housing scam. Sir, just can you throw some light on this?
Sure. Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Actually, I only integrated Mr. Khobragade.
Yeah.
His daughter, actually, his doctor was a member. His
Yeah.
daughter was a member of the society and allotted a flat in the Adarsha Society building.
Yeah.
But this Uttam Khobragade was a general manager of BEST, Bombay Electrical Supply Undertaking. And that BST land was taken over. That FSI land is as it is there, that bus depot is there. But BST land FSI was taken over and added in this Adarsha Society building. Because of that, they increased 3-4 floors and additional flats were created for this additional FSI. So we wanted to point out and we search and this thing, take out who was the responsible for this transfer of FSI. We integrated earlier manager also, earlier general manager of BST, but he was not having a flat in BST. But this Khobragade was having. So we wanted to check the quid pro quo. But when this plot was transferred, FSI was transferred, that time he was not in BST. Another man was there. So as far as this thing, criminality in Adarsha scam is concerned, this Khobragade was not involved. But still, our department only started investigation about his properties. And most of the property, he is having lot of properties, different places. And he has taken that property in the name of his daughter. And that is why that investigation, that separate investigation is going. I heard.
So even
this issue also.
United States of America was also involved in
Yes,
that.
issue also.
They have also.
Yeah. They are also involved because of the complaint by her maid. And
Yeah.
she was also wishing stripped naked while checking in this thing.
Yes, that is what I was.
That also I heard. That was true. And this fellow actually main culprit, Mr. Uttam Khobragade, but he involved his daughter also in this. He was the most corrupt officer of BST that time.
Okay. Thank you, Subhash Chandra garu. And Naidu garu, if you have any question, unmute and speak, sir. Unmute and AP Naidu garu. Unmute. You have to unmute. Naidu garu. Yeah, Utrekar sahab. Okay. Utrekar, Dattatreya sahab. Yes.
Good evening. Good afternoon now. Good afternoon to all.
Good afternoon, sir. Yes.
And especially congratulations to Ramakant Sarandar. I know him
Thank
for
you, thank
quite
you.
number of years, sir. You can say for last 30-35 years we are friends, more than 35 years, and I have seen him achieving in sports field as a bodybuilder, along with all top-notch bodybuilder, like just now one of our colleague told about Mr. India Anandan, then our Premchand Dogra. Though he was not a defense person, but those people used to have gym, and I think Sarandar has worked out with them, with top-notch bodybuilders, and himself competed for Mr. India, along with my nephew Madhukar Thorat, who was also Mr. India. And I am really happy for his achievement in sports and what the Air Force has given him. He has made best of use in exercise and then in CBI. And we are really proud of him. And he's a very dedicated person, very simple person, and I can say a very honest, and we have to honor him, and we are very proud of him. Sarandar, we are proud of you, and thanks and compliment to Vaini Sahib that she is always with you and supporting you. Thanks Sarandar, thanks TBR sir. Patak
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Thank you very much. Uttekarji, thank you very much. We were together in Pune for bodybuilding. You are also bodybuilder.
Unmute and speak, sir. Sharma Saab. Unmute, please unmute and speak.
Nothing, sir. I congratulate Mr. Ramakant, sir,
Thank
for
you.
his yes.
Okay, acha, thank you, sir. Naidu Garu, AP Naidu Garu.
Hello.
Yeah,
Good
speak.
afternoon. Good afternoon.
Yeah. So nice of you, sir. Mr. Ramakant, sir. We have actually
Please switch on your video, sir. Amin Saab.
I am in the mobile. Actually, I came out of the house.
Acha, ठीक है. Okay, okay,
Thank
speak.
you.
Sir.
Thank you, Amin sir.
And I think that you have achieved a lot in your sports as well as the entire life was totally the investigation field. So we have shown a very nice path to the youngsters and the Department of Police and as well as the investigation team. You have whatever you have achieved is a path for the others to follow. The Air Force, whatever has given you the importance and what you have gained from the Air Force, you have shown to the public as well as you have shown to the government agencies. It's a watchdog for others to follow the right path. Thank you very much, sir. Hats off to you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Amin sir.
Thank you, Amin sir. Yeah, Naidu Garu. Yeah, again, unmute and speak, sir. You are raising your hand. Unmute and speak, Naidu Garu. You have to unmute and speak. Surendra sir, Surendra sir, you want to speak? Or Anand Thakur? Yeah,
I can
anyone
only, Ramakant sir, congratulations. Not only you elevated yourself to the highest coveted place, and you made us feel proud that having served in Air Force. Thank you. Congrats.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Yeah, Thakur sir, Anand Thakur. Yes, sir.
Good afternoon to everyone.
Sir, he is my batchmate.
So first, thankful to TBR for arranging such a good meeting. And I am very much happy to see that my friends' achievements and everybody's appreciation towards him. We are 46 years together.
That's great.
We studied together in one school. We recruited in together with the same trade, and we are still together.
Okay.
So once again, thank you to TBR and request to arrange such a meetings frequently and to introduce our ex-servicemen or ex-sergeants or ex-Air Force persons who are having great achievements, so that it is satisfying to each other. Simultaneously, it is a touchstone for the new recruitees. So thank you very much.
Yeah, inspiration for the younger generations. Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thakur, sir.
Sir.
Sir, confirm you are in 2 squadron in Kalagunda.
Yes, sir. I was in 2 squadron Kalagunda. Right. Thank you.
Could you recall me? B.S. Sharma, Indian fighter.
Yeah. I could remember.
Okay.
Still, you are staying in Bombay only, no?
No, I am in Jaipur. I am from Jaipur.
Okay then. Very nice to meet you and talk to you.
Thank you.
Okay, sir. Once again, congratulations to Ramakant for his great achievement. Okay.
Yes, thank you, Thakur sir. Naidu Garu, yes, final chance for you.
Audible now?
Yeah, audible. Now you are audible. Yes, finally you made it.
Good afternoon to everybody, and especially my congratulations to Sarang Darsa.
Thank you.
You have traveled into many different fields and you have proved your mettle. Being a bodybuilder, not only your body is strong, your mind and mental status also very, very strong. I have also worked in a sister concern like your department, income tax, and it needs a lot of guts to face a politician, especially in these days, and also senior officers. You have proved your mettle, and I am really very happy, and you have done a very great job. Thank you. Very congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, great. So I think anybody else, sir? Otherwise, we are coming to the end of the program. If anybody else wants to speak, they can unmute and speak. Otherwise, we are winding up.
I have a suggestion.
Yeah, Amina sir. Yes.
Actually, whatever we were showing in this show,
sir,
I think it will be better in the AFA journal, or we have one veteran Mitran newspaper is coming every month. It's almost in different states. I think it is having different publications. You may give an article on this achievers once in every month regarding their achievements. So this will be helpful for the others to read also, and it will be a publicity for those who have achieved in the Air Force as well as in the civil life.
So excellent suggestion, sir. Definitely we will do that so that it is known to all youngsters and others also, not only the
all
people
around
on the
this,
call.
India.
I agree with
Now
you,
we
sir.
have in Tamil Nadu, we have that Veteran Mitran.
Yes, sir.
So they will be running short of such articles.
Okay.
So you may talk to that chief editor, Maringamata Sarathi. So likewise in AFA journal also, at least once in a month, such article can be given for publicity.
Yes, sir.
So they will have more exposure and it will be a great help for others also, sir.
Definitely, sir. Very valid suggestion. We'll take care of it, sir. Thank you, sir. Sidhu Saab, Sethi Saab, finally, anything from you?
Ramakant sir.
Thank you, sir.
Ramakant sir.
Ramakant sir, I am very much thankful to you, and I feel happy that from your career from sergeant to the heights you have reached, really they are worth praising. And आपने जो सच्चाई का साथ दिया है, that is the more
yes.
and you have exposed the culprits. That is another great thing which makes us happy, that our truthness has come out and we have shown the country that we are still loyal after retiring also.
Yes,
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
And I am very much thankful to our two pillars, Rao sir and Sharad Pathak sir, for their good help to get everything done up so nicely and explained.
Thank you, Sethi
Thank
sir.
you all.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Sir,
much.
Ramakant sir.
Thank you all.
I have one
seniors.
question to ask to Ramakant.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Sir, what made you not to disclose that you are a air veteran, sir, while doing service?
Yes, sir. I should not disclose. In CBI, and I should not disclose. Otherwise, they may try to suppress. That's why.
Oh.
It is a secret. That's always we have to.
Trade secret.
Trade secret, huh?
Trade secret. Yes.
Oh, no. That was the question lingering lingering in my mind. That's what I wanted to get clarification. You said that you only disclose in front of TBR only. That's what I wanted to ask.
Now it is open. Now I am retired.
Yes.
Now I can say
Yes.
anything. That time it was restricted.
No. Thank you very much, sir. Congrats once again.
Yeah, thank you very much, sir. With this, we'll sum up the question and
last
answer.
question.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Ramakant, you had been an excellent trainer for GST field.
Yeah.
In today's scenario, economy is literally affected. But in long run point of view, what will be the GST contributing in Indian economy? You being an expertise in that, can you throw little light on that so that we'll be happy? Thank you.
Yes. Economy will boost. Economy will boost because of GST. Because GST has controlled lot many this thing, corruption and misuse of this thing. Clearance of goods without payment of taxes. They were clearing. Now everybody has to take account for this. And new industries are coming into India. And GST control will be there. And step by step now they are going to have a strict control. Now at present there is no strict control. There is no intelligence unit of GST, no audit started so far. But when they start intelligence unit of GST and audit of all units, then all revenue will be recovered from those who have this thing cheated the government in the revenue. It will be recovered and economy will boost.
Thank you, Mr. Ramakant. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Balinga sir, and once again, thank you, Ramakant Saranga sir, for your wonderful narration of your journey, starting from Air Force to Central Excise to that of CBI. So excellent story and adventurous story, and you proved that you are the true air warrior to live up to the expectation, whatever the discipline or commitment and other things you have learned from this service. You truly implemented in your other aspects of life. I think which proved very useful and worthy for you during the career in the adventurous journey. So on behalf of all the air warriors, I once again thank you for your wonderful narration of your story and your wonderful journey in life as such. Thank you, sir. Thank you. You are one of our unstoppable air warriors. We salute you. I salute you from on behalf of all our air warriors on the on the call. And in fact, your story deserves a standing ovation like this. So we are proud of you, sir. And so grateful, so grateful. So kind of you, sir. And with this, we'll conclude this today's episode. So thank you all our air warriors, starting from our group captain Das sir, then Wing Commander Karnik sir, Wing Commander Kawatra sir, Wing Commander Krishnamurthy sir, and Vice Chancellor our Burudkar sir, and Naidu Garu, then Thakur Saab, the Amina ji, then Anand Sapre sir, Balinga sir as it is, and Manik Dere Saab, Rajnikant Damle, then Subhash Chandra Garu, then ultimate Dattatreya Saab and Surendra Bendre Saab, then our patron Jedblo Patak sir. Thank you all for making this program a great success. Again, let us meet on Wednesday webinar program. I think mistakenly it was given in the first notification 10:45, but it is only 7 o'clock as it is. We have given the rectification also with another hero that is there just for your introduction. Our AP Naidu, Sergeant AP Naidu, turned out to be an Assistant Commissioner Income Tax. So, sir, Naidu Garu, you can just introduce yourself as a concluding session.
Good afternoon to everybody. My name is AP Naidu, ex-sergeant. Served in the Indian Air Force from 62 to 77. I participated in almost all the wars. That was a very tight-packed, very hectic and very dangerous period I have spent in the Air Force, because all the time there was war, there was insurgency, there was attacks. Now later I joined for 2 years meritorious service in Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, and for another 20 years adventurous service in the Income Tax Department. I have some stories like our Ramakant sir, and later, of course, a lot of service to society, ex-servicemen, things like that. Getting on with though there are a lot of getting on healthy and happily. I think I must thank especially for our TBR and Patak sir for bringing this type of things to light. Otherwise, we go unsung heroes. Now this is a platform which we have to further magnify, and I invite people like Ramakant and others who are our vice chancellors and others who have got still energies and who have got still aptitude to do something for our people. We have done to our departments for taking salary. Now what we are going to do for our own people who are not better placed like us, and it is the duty is cast on us. And with the guidance of our seniors, well experienced persons, at the end of this session, maybe I don't know when we are going to conclude all the heroes, we have to plan solidly as to how we can do something for the service people who are going to retire and for the retired people to better their lives. I think that is my prayer, and I will work for that. I think most of the people will join with the TBR and others to achieve the targets. We have got a lot to do. That is my concern.
Thank you,
sir, very much.
Thank
we will meet on
then we are
the evening 7 o'clock.
Mr. Rao, there is one request. The next month program, can you publish, please? Thank you.
Yes, I'll do that, sir. I'll do that. We are in the process. Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, what about RM Sridharan's program, sir?
That is there. That stands posted to 18th.
18th. Okay, thank you.
But due to unavoidable circumstances. Yes, sir, it will be there. Thank you, sir. So nice of you. Thank you all. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
God bless you all, sir.
Thank you very much. Good night, sir.